My name is Rob Moore, and I'm the CEO of Big Sky Collision in Billings, Montana, and I've been here approximately 4 years. My experience with Carliner has been outstanding. The big thing is allowing my technicians to get the vehicle repaired safely and back to the customer as timely as possible. Carliner has the most OEM certification approvals on the market, and that's allowed us to get OEs like Honda, Acura, Ford. Tesla is another big one. We've seen big rewards with that. Being the only Tesla certified facility in the state of Montana, we're having Teslas towed to us and brought to us from all over the state. Without Carliner, that wouldn't be possible. I would absolutely recommend Carliner, not only in Billings, but throughout Montana and throughout the US. Again, I can't say enough about them. They have been nothing but helpful, supportive, and always there for us.
My name is Buddy Neese. I'm a collision technician for Big Sky Collision Center in Billings, Montana, and I've been here for 17 years. My favorite Carliner product has got to be the clamping system for unibody cars. The way that their posts hook to the rack and pull. It's direct power pull, so as soon as your chains are moving, your metal is moving and you're getting the results that you're looking for. I would recommend Carliner to unibody shops for how quickly you can set up, how accurate the measuring can be when you're straightening a frame or upper body. The quicker you can do that, and the more accurate are, the more profitable you're going to be.